Students, welcome to online class of math of class 3. So student, today we are going to learn addition of 2 3-digit numbers with regrouping. So you have to open page number 26 of your math book. So see here regrouping ones. So first we have to learn how to regrouping ones. So here given example 1, see a shopkeeper has 218 white eggs and 237 brown eggs in his shop. Find the total number of eggs the shopkeeper has. So we have to find out total number of eggs shopkeeper has. So your step 1 is first arrange the digit of the numbers, that is 218 and 237 in the correct place value column. So we have to put the digit in correct place value column. Now add ones. So we have to add ones. Here see what is here in ones, 8 and 7. So see here 8 plus 7. So what we get? 8 ones plus 7 ones, we get equal to 15 ones. So what we get? 15 ones. Now we have to regroup 15. So when we regroup 15, we get 110 plus 5 ones. So what we get? See here when we regroup it. When we regroup it, we get 5 ones and 110. So now write 5 in the ones place and carry over 110 to the 10 column. So we get 15. So we write 5 in ones place and we carry 1 here. Understand? Now your second step, see. Now add the tens. So we have to add the tens. Now see here. So what we get? Here given 1, 110, 3 tens and carry 1. So see here 1 plus 3, 4 and carry 1 is 5. So here is your 5 tens. Now we have to add the hundreds. That is your 200 plus 200. That is 200 plus 200. So 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So we get 400. So write 4 in the 100 place. So we have to write 4 in 100 place. So in this way, these are the steps by which we can regroup ones and add the number. So what we get from that answer? We get that 218 plus 237 is equal to 455. So therefore shopkeeper has 455 eggs altogether. Now you understand how to add by regrouping ones. Yes, in the same way we can done on the abacus. Now next is here, see, crack it. You have to crack it. So see in ones place, here is 4 plus 7, 11. So 11 का when we regroup 11, जब हम लोग 11 का regroup करेंगे तो क्या करेंगे? 1 को रखेंगे वंस प्लेस पे और 1 कैरी कर जाएंगे 10 प्लेस पे. So 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. In 10 place there will be 8 by adding the tens. Now at 100 place. So 1 plus 1, 2. So your answer is 281. See here 2 plus 8, 10. So we write 0. 0 लिखेंगे 1 कैरी करेंगे 10 प्लेस पे और 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. अब 100 प्लेस का करेंगे तो 4 plus 1, 5. So your answer is 530. Now see C1 here 5 plus 7, 12. So we put 2, 12 का 2 लिखेंगे और कैरी करेंगे 1 कहाँ पे? 10 प्लेस पे. तो 6 plus 1, 7 and carry का 1, 8. So here write 8 in 10th place. Now see 100 place, 6 plus 2, 8. So we write 8. So your answer is 882. So in the same way you have to regrouping tens. So see example 3. There are 382 monkeys and 253 deer in a zoo. find the total numbers of monkeys and deer in the zoo. So see here again, step first. First we have to write the digit of the numbers, that is 382 and 253 in the correct place value columns, and then we have to add the 1. So see here, we put it in the correct place value. See, in the correct place value, 100, tens, ones. Now we have to add 1. So 2 plus 3, yes, it will be 5. See here, 2 plus 3, 5. So we write 5 in the ones place. That means 2 ones plus 3 ones equal to 5 ones. So write 5 in the ones place. See. Now here the second step. Now add the tens. We have to add the tens. So see here, in tens how many? 8 plus 5. So 8 plus 5 is equal to 8 tens plus 5. 8 tens plus 5 tens equal to 13 tens. So here 8 tens plus 5 tens is equal to 13 tens. Now we have to regroup 13 tens. So when we regroup 13 tens, we get 100 plus 3 tens and carry 1 over the 100 place. Carry 1 to the 100 place column. So see here, 8 plus 5 is 13. So we put here 3 and carry 1 in 100 place. Now write 3 in the tens place. Up 3, we put 3 in tens place and 1 carry upon 100 place. So now add the hundreds. So you see here hundreds, here 3, here 2. And when we regrouping, we get 1 more 100. So this will be 1 more 100. So see, 3 plus 2, 5 and carry 1, that will be 6. So when we add 200, 300 plus 200 plus 100, so we get 600. So write 6 in the 100 place. So that is your second step. Now you can know. So what we get the answer from it? Yes, we get 382 plus 253 equal to 635. Therefore, the altogether 635 monkeys and deers are in the zoo. Now you can know how to regrouping tens and how to regrouping ones. So let see next. Crack it here. So 3 plus 2, 5. Then in 10 place, 5 plus 9, 14. So we regroup 14 and we write 4 here and carry 1 in 100 place. So 4 plus 2, 6 and carry 1, 7. So your answer is 745. Now see here, 5 plus 4, 9. 7 to 9, 16. 16 by regrouping we write 6 and carry 1 here. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So your answer is 869. Now see here, 2 plus 6, 8. 4 plus 8, 12. So we regrouping 12 and write 2, carry 1 in 100 place. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So your answer is 928. So now you can know how to regrouping ones and tens place. So next we will do checkpoint 2.1.